everyone, I'm Melissa and this is Designing with Decals. Today I want to show you a little bit more about our EasyPSV Etch. You can create sandblasted and etched looks onto glass, mirrors, plastic, and more. So put away that messy etching cream and break out that vinyl cutter because that's all you're going to need today. Here I have my EasyPSV Etch, and you will notice it has a gray grid line on the back that indicates that it is a permanent vinyl. And I'm going to put the grid lines down onto my mat here. So for PSV, it's always color side up, grid line down. And load this into my cutter. And now we're ready to cut. All right. So I've got my graphics cut here, and we're going to go ahead and weed this out. And then we are going to apply the application tape over your decal. So we are going to be decorating a plastic wine glass today, and sometimes these curved surfaces can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to show you an easy way to apply graphics to a tricky curved surface. So once you've got that down, you can go ahead and peel off that liner there to expose the adhesive. Now I'm going to show you an easy little trick, especially when applying to tricky surfaces, is you cut little relief cuts into your application tape. So I'm going to cut it here just to give that a little hinge in a way. And that should be good because that's where it's about to land on the curve. So there's a couple ways that you can line this up. Is some people will fill the glass with water so you have your straight edge and you know where to place your graphics. But this one, I'm gonna place it a little bit higher. So I'm not gonna use water. I'm actually gonna use the grid lines on my tape so that I can center it. Match that grid to the top and lift this little hinge up here and then slowly smooth it down with your finger. So you'll see how the application tape kind of bridged itself. That means that curve would have been a little bit hard to decorate. And then squeegee that down. And then when we remove the application tape, your etched graphic will remain on your wine glass. And there you have it. Now that we're finished decorating our wine glass, it's ready to be used. Just make sure after you're done with it that you hand wash it. We do not recommend putting it into the dishwasher. Also, since it's a translucent frosty finish, you can use it for many applications. I love using it for privacy windows for homes, offices, especially bathrooms. Thank you everyone for tuning in to Designing with Decals. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos as well as comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And cheers!